Without peace, there is no prosperity. The International Day of Peace is inspiring reminder what we can do together. This day also strengthening the ideas of peace both within among of the nation and people. After the World War in 1918, this 11th of November declared as a peace day. With the high intention, should be no war. Global Peace Day or GP Day. This celebration was initiated by His Holiness Guru Mahan in Malaysia in 11th of November in 2011 at Lima Kio Palace Hotel, gathered by thousands of peacekeepers from different parts of the globe. Together we practice silence for 1 minute. As we know, 1 minute or 60 seconds, many things can happen in this world. The same way, peace also can happen. It's possible. With Guru Mahan blessing, we started GP Day celebration with many local NGOs and society, then moved to country level, and today we reach up to global. On 9th year, in 2019, we celebrate the GP Day at Lim Kok Wing University with students from 160 countries. By being associated with the masters, we start to know the real reason why we need peace, what peace contributes in human life, how it benefit the people and the world. Besides GP Day, we organize and involve in many other peace activities as Rela for Peace, International Peace Day, by being collaborate with Rela Malaysia. Peace is not just absence of war. Peace is manifestation of human compassion. I believe collective thoughts of 1 minute silence and prayer will give big impact and vibrate throughout this gathering, our community, our nation, and to the world. You can ask me what peace can give you. By knowing and experience the peace within, we can create stress-free atmosphere, better in communication and create harmonized environment, help to grow more productively, more intuition, innovation, inspiration, and 1 minute silence can help us to have a peaceful handle any situation. You learn more skills to find solution within. Another word, self-transformation. You can become responsible person from individual, family, society, country, and to the world. This GP Day event has been successfully conducting every year because of the contribution of many beautiful souls who render their selfless service. Today, I would like to thank all of them, especially our founder, His Holiness Guru Mahan, Dr. Ahmed Farid as our chairman, all Global Peace Day organizing committee team, especially Ms. Supriya, Madam Kaveri, and all of others. Our committee members from Taslim Malaysia, Way to Success Training Resources, Close Protection Team, Rela Malaysia, all NGOs, member of Universal Peace Sanctuary of Malaysia, Universal Peace Foundation India and Singapore, and many more other countries, all schools, teachers, students, government bodies, and media. Thank you very much. In the world of duality, we need to learn and practice how to keep ourselves peace and harmony. Like Master said, to create a war, you need to do a lot of things. You need to spend a lot of money. But to bring a peace in life, no cost involved, because it's already there within you. You just need to discover or recover yourself. Understand, when you are in peace, you can bring peace to others. Peace is like a journey of 1,000 miles, and it must be taken one step at the time. Let's take our first step to join together to celebrate this 1 minute silence. Experience the power of peace within. Look at the gardens, beautiful flowers. So what we do, we like to decorate in our home, we send as a gift, and we use for our prayers. Similarly, all of us flower in Divine's garden who want to experience blossom, peace, bliss, and fulfillment in life. Let me start to experience it today to bring unity, peace, harmony, love, compassion to all. Thank you. Sandosham.
Sampai itu, marilah kita sama-sama beberapa buah lagu. Siapa